World. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you BiasPedia, my second assignment and project one for Harvard's CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. This project is all about creating a well-rounded and interactive platform just like an online encyclopedia for managing entries, with a sleek and user-friendly interface. Let's jump right in and explore what BiasPedia has to offer. Starting with the user interface, BiasPedia is designed to be both clean and intuitive. The layout ensures that everything you need is easily accessible, making it simple to navigate through the various features. On the entry page, you can create and manage content using Markdown. This feature allows you to add headings, lists, embed links, and more, ensuring that your entries are well organized and easy to read. Next, we have the search bar. It's a powerful tool that helps you find specific entries quickly. Alternatively, despite the basic search, it also has an ability to handle typos. Also, in case you search for something that doesn't exist, you'll be directed to a custom 404 page showing an error. Creating a new entry in BiasPedia is straightforward. Click on the Create button, just fill in the details and simply hit Create. And there you go, we have successfully created an entry. However, if you try to create an entry with the same title as an existing one, the system will flag it with an error message, preventing duplicates and keeping your data clean. Feeling adventurous? The Random Entry button is perfect for exploring BiasPedia in a fun and spontaneous way. One click, and you're taken to a random entry, which is a great way to discover content you might have otherwise missed. Editing an entry is just as simple. The Edit Page feature allows you to modify any entry and save the changes instantly. It's all about keeping your content fresh and up to date. Lastly, there's the Delete Entry option. When an entry is no longer needed, you can easily remove it with just a couple of clicks on the Delete button and then confirming it, ensuring your content remains relevant. And that's a wrap on BiasPedia. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this walkthrough interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on my CS50 journey. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, this was Jahan, signing off.